Replace your toilet's flapper every 3 to 5 years, or sooner if you notice continuous running or a slow tank refill. A flapper is the rubber seal at the bottom of the tank that lifts when you press the handle and then drops to seal the flush valve. Over time, rubber hardens, warps, or collects mineral buildup, which prevents a tight seal and lets water leak from the tank into the bowl. To check it, add a few drops of food coloring to the tank and wait 10 minutes. If the bowl water changes color, the flapper is leaking. When choosing a replacement, match the flapper style and size to your flush valve, usually 2 inches or 3 inches, and consider a silicone flapper if your water is heavily chlorinated, since silicone resists chemical breakdown better than standard rubber. Install by shutting off the water supply, flushing to empty the tank, detaching the chain, removing the old flapper from the pegs or ring, snapping the new one in place, and adjusting the chain so there is about 1/2 inch of slack to prevent lift issues. As a habit, inspect the flapper yearly, wipe off mineral deposits, and keep chlorine tablets out of the tank to avoid premature wear. The first mistake is ignoring subtle signs like intermittent refills or quiet trickling sounds, which wastes water and money. Do the food coloring test and replace promptly. The second mistake is buying the wrong flapper size or type, such as using a universal 2-inch flapper on a 3-inch flush valve. Measure the valve opening or bring the old flapper to the store for an exact match. The third mistake is misadjusting the chain so it is too tight or too loose, causing weak flushes or a flapper that does not fully close. Set the chain with small slack and confirm the handle lifts the flapper cleanly and the flapper seats fully after each flush. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find local contractors for plumbing maintenance like flapper replacements and other toilet fixes. We also help contractors showcase their work and connect with nearby customers, and our discussion community lets all of us share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences.